In this lesson, we will focus on solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots and factoring are simple and easy to do. However, there are some quadratic equations that are not applicable to these formulas. We can solve any quadratic equation using the method called completing the square. Example: let's say we have x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0. Copy the original equation. We have x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0. Add 9 to both sides of the equation. We have x squared minus 8x equals 9. To get the constant that will complete the square, take the coefficient of x, divide it by 2, then square it. We have negative 8x. The quantity of negative 8 over 2 squared is equal to 16. Now, add 16 to both sides. X squared minus 8x plus 16 equals 9 plus 16. The left side is a perfect square trinomial. Factor the trinomial square. The factor of x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to the quantity of x minus 4 squared. Then, extract the square root of both sides. We have x minus 4 equals the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Finally, we have x minus 4 equals positive or negative 5. Equate the linear expressions each of the two values. We have x minus 4 is equal to 5 or x minus 4 is equal to negative 5. Solve each of the resulting linear equations. We have x is equal to 9 or x is equal to negative 1. Therefore, the solution set for this equation is negative 1 and 9. Let's try another example. Solve 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Copy the original equation. We have 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Then, add negative 1 to both sides of the equation. We have 3x squared minus 4x equals negative 1. In order to cancel the leading coefficient, divide by 3. Now we have 3x squared over 3 minus 4x over 3 equals negative 1 over 3. Now, the leading coefficient was cancelled. We have x squared minus 4x over 3 equals negative 1 over 3. The coefficient of x is negative 4 over 3. The quantity of negative 4 over 3 divided by 2 squared is equal to the quantity of negative 2 over 3 squared, which is equal to 4 over 9. Add 4 over 9 to both sides. We have x squared minus 4 over 3x plus 4 over 9 equals negative 1 over 3 plus 4 over 9. Now we have x squared minus 4 over 3x plus 4 over 9 equals 1 over 9. We got the value of 1 over 9 by adding negative 1 over 3 plus 4 over 9. Now, factor the trinomial square. The factor of x squared minus 4 over 3x plus 4 over 9 is equal to the quantity of x minus 2 over 3 squared. Now, extract the root of both sides. We have the square root of the quantity x minus 2 over 3 squared is equal to the square root of 1 over 9. Now we have x minus 2 over 3 equals positive or negative 1 over 3. By equating the linear expressions to each of the two values, we have x minus 2 over 3 is equal to negative 1 over 3 or x minus 2 over 3 is equal to 1 over 3. By solving this, we have x is equal to 1 over 3 and x is equal to 1. Therefore, the solution for this equation is 1 over 3 and 1.